Welcome back in English classroom. Let's learn today not only but also a new topic of grammar and how we have to use it. What is it is called? Let's learn. Students, not only but also is known as a correlative conjunction. It is used to connect two words to phrases at the same position. It can be used to list two adjective qualities, nouns or verbs to show complementary qualities, quantities or actions, events and states. Means two equal important things, object. When we want to join, we are using not only but also. We can use this structure where two parts of speech are equal important. Means two equal important things we are joining with the correlative pair of conjunction not only but also. Students, let's learn how we can use this not only but also in our sentences, and let's see some examples. First type is that when two adjectives are given, we can join them with the help of not only but also. Our first example, she is not only beautiful but also rich. In this sentence, beautiful is your first adjective and rich is your second adjective. And these two adjectives we can join with the help of not only but also. Let's see the example. What kind of example will be asked in the examination? You will be given two sentences and you have to join those two sentences with the help of not only but also. Rakesh is handsome. Rakesh is intelligent. In this sentence, we can find out Rakesh is our subject, is our verb. And this one is the common in both the sentences, so we'll take it as the common. Rakesh is not only handsome. Handsome is your first adjective, but also intelligent. Means whenever the sentences of not only but also will come, you have to find out first two equal concepts. Maybe two nouns, maybe two adjectives, maybe two adverbs, or any kind of two concepts will be given. And those concepts you have to join with the help of not only but also. आपको दो कंसेप्ट दी रहेंगी सेंटेंस में, आपको उसे ढूंढना है एंड देन आफ्टरवर्ड्स you can use your not only but also. Second type is there where we can join two adverbs. Let's see how we can join. He works not only happily but also enthusiastically. So happily and enthusiastically, these are your two adverbs and we have joined these adverbs with the help of not only but also. Now what kind of question will be asked? She was extremely intelligent and very careful about her decision. Now already which sentence is given to you is a compound sentence, but only we are going to change its structure with the help of not only but also. Here you can find out extremely intelligent and very careful. So extremely and very, these are your adverbs. So what will be our answer? She was not only extremely intelligent but also very careful about her decisions. So we can use not only but also. We can join two nouns with the help of not only but also. He is not only a dramatist but also a poet. Here a dramatist and a poet, these are your two nouns and these two nouns are joined by not only but also. What kind of question will be asked in the examination? I like ice cream. I like chocolate cake. Join with not only but also. In this sentence, we can find out two concepts, ice cream and chocolate cake. So we got the two terms, and these two terms we have to join with the not only but also. So which is our first term? पहले term के आगे हम लगाएंगे not only, and second term के आगे हम लगाएंगे but also. I like not only ice cream but also chocolate cake. They not only speak Japanese but also write Spanish. Here we can find out two verbs, speak and write. In our next sentence, he plays tabla, he sings classical songs. Here plays and sings, these are your two verbs. And two separate sentences we can join with the help of not only but also. He not only plays tabla but also sings classical songs. So before our first verb we put not only, and before our second verb we put but also, and our sentence is ready. So it is so simple. And our last type is where we can use not only at the starting of sentence. Not only you but also I am planning to go abroad. Here you and I, these pronouns are joined with the help of not only but also. Akshay and Aditya went to see Great Indian Circus. Only one sentence is there. Their conjunction is used and with this and two nouns are joined. So we can use here not only but also. Not only Akshay but also Aditya went to see Great Indian Circus. And our last sentence, Mary and Gabriel is from France. So we can use not only before Mary and but also before Gabriel. So not only Mary but also Gabriel is from France. Students, I hope the concept of not only but also is clear to you. If you want more grammar videos, then links are provided in the description box. You can go through the other videos. Kindly do like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of all my new videos. Thanks for watching.